This massive hippo has spent weeks battling something far worse than heat or hunger, a hidden invasion. Look closely. Dozens of large ticks are buried deep in his skin, growing fatter with every passing day. The irritation is unbearable now, his skin twitching helplessly against parasites he simply cannot reach. From a nearby branch, a curious monkey notices something is wrong with his enormous neighbor. Slowly, carefully, the monkey climbs down to get a closer look at the struggling hippo. What the monkey finds is shocking, a dense cluster of ticks hidden deep in the folds of skin. The cleanup begins at the ears, where the thick folds have become the perfect hiding spot for parasites. With practiced precision, the monkey pulls the very first tick free. The hippo barely flinches. Next comes the neck, where deep wrinkles conceal an entire colony of ticks waiting to be found. One by one, tick after tick is removed, each pull bringing the hippo a little more relief. The monkey climbs higher, moving onto the broad shoulders where even more parasites are clustered. Working in a steady rhythm, the little groomer clears the shoulder area tick by tick. Now it's time for the back, the largest surface, and by far the most heavily infested. After a long stretch of cleaning, the monkey pauses for a well-earned snack of its own. The hippo lets out a deep, contented grunt, fully surrendering to the gentle grooming. Down at the legs, ticks have burrowed into the folds near every joint, the hardest spots to reach. Only one area remains, the base of the tail, hiding the very last stubborn cluster of ticks. The final ticks are pulled free, one after another, in the last push toward a full recovery. At last, the hippo settles onto the ground completely free of the parasites that once tormented him. Clean, calm, and finally at peace, this hippo's remarkable transformation is complete.